Hi. In this video, I'm going to show how to download Google Taskmate and use this app. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more such videos. So let's get into the content. First step you have to do is, open the Play Store app on your Android or App Store app on your iOS. Then, search for Google Taskmate in the search box. You'll see the app on top of the page. Click that. This app gives us tasks like, take photos of shopfronts, or record spoken sentences, or like transcribe sentences as such. This app is mainly created to build up Google's OK Google feature. Your voice will be recorded and rewarded. In future, Google's voice search can pick up any voice as your voices has been recorded. The app is launched just now. This can be used only by some users. To use this app, click the Install button. Your app will be installed within a few moments. Wait for the installation to complete. As the installation is completed, open the app. Click the main ID in which you want to access the app. Then click the Get Started button. As soon as the page is loaded, select the application language in which you want to view the app. I'm comfortable with English, so I'm selecting English language. Unless you enter a referral code, you can't log in. To get the refer code, there are many websites which are giving refer codes. Simply search for Google Taskmate refer code. Search for codes and enter it in the application. Even if you click Do not have a refer code option, this won't allow you to log in, unless you give a refer code. So, thank you guys for watching my video. This is how you have to use the Taskmate app. Signing off for now. Let's meet in the next video.